Hello, friends. Right now, we are going to show you 3 best mechanics toolset or home repair toolkit. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Craftsman 230 pieces mechanics tool set, socket wrench set, car toolkit with VersaStack toolbox, SAE and metric, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 drive, short and long arm hex keys. Color, multicolor. Brand, Craftsman. Material, tool steel. Item length, 17.7 inches. Item weight, 24.7 pounds. Low profile ratchet, up to 25% thinner head for access in tight spaces. 72 tooth ratchet, delivers 5-degree arc swing. All-in-one mechanic set, contains a full assortment of sockets, ratchets, metric wrench set, and SAE, deep socket set, specialty bits for automotive enthusiasts and mechanics, packed in a durable 3-drawer toolkit for car. Full lifetime warranty. Includes 91 sockets, 3 ratchets, 21 wrenches, 44 hex keys, 66 specialty bits, and 5 accessories. One-handed locking dial. Spring-loaded dial enables users to open and close drawers with one hand, and lock drawers when not in use. Drawers can be nested on top of the toolbox for easy access and temporary storage. VersaStack compatible. This flexible storage system allows for custom combination based on user needs.
Number 2. HOTO 40-piece toolkit. Household essentials toolset with smart electric screwdriver, LED, 3 torque, plus 14 tools and 26 accessories. Pro-grade compact organizer for home, dorm repairs, DIY. Brand, HOTO. Voltage, 3.7 volts. Item weight, 2.44 kilograms. Battery cell composition, lithium ion. Number of batteries, 1 AAA batteries required, included. 40-piece all-in-one solution. Equipped with 14 essential tools plus 26 accessories for home repairs, furniture assembly, and pro tasks. Heavy-duty construction ensures long-lasting durability. From quick fixes to creative belts, unlock endless possibilities. Smart electric screwdriver. Conquer any project with 3 adjustable torque modes and ring LED light. 2000 mAh battery powers extended tasks effortlessly. Tackle stubborn screws with absolute control. Complete 18+4 premium bit system. Master tight spaces with high hardness S2 steel bits, 18 by 25 mm short, plus 4 by 50 mm long. Features magnetic quick lock for instant swaps, plus 360-degree flexible shaft and extension rod, reach impossible angles without stripping fasteners. Ergonomic design, non-slip soft grip handles reduce fatigue.
Number 3. Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set with 3-drawer VersaStack box, SAE and metric socket set, car and motorcycle toolkit with combination wrenches and spark plug sockets, CMMT 45309. Color, red. Brand, Craftsman. Material, alloy steel. Item length, 17.5 inches. Item weight, 27.5 pounds. Low profile ratchet, up to 25% thinner head for access in tight spaces. 72 tooth ratchet delivers 5-degree arc swing. All-in-one mechanic set. Hand tools contains a full assortment of socket wrench set, ratchet set, wrenches, hex socket set, and specialty bits for automotive enthusiasts and mechanics, packed in a durable 3-drawer automotive tools box. Full lifetime warranty. One-handed locking dial. Spring-loaded dial enables users to open and close drawers with one hand and lock drawers when not in use. Drawers can be nested on top of the toolbox for easy access and temporary storage. VersaStack compatible. This flexible storage system allows for custom combination based on user needs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.